Every move of humanity is filled with unexpected surprises, which makes every journey enjoyable. We are committed to providing better car batteries. Herou has been steadfast and dedicated for more than 30 years. With over 1,000 people from Herou working together to forge ahead in excellence, it has now risen to become a leading domestic supplier of automotive battery products and has become a high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, manufacturing, sales and service of automotive batteries, and has successfully won multiple qualification certifications at the provincial and municipal levels. Herou Jiangxi is skilled for 350,000 square meters, with a daily output of 50,000 automotive batteries. We have fully imported internationally leading solvent automation expansion lines from Italy, TPS grids production lines from the UK, Mujin automation assembly lines from South Korea, full set of punching blade equipment and lead powder manufacturing lines. We currently have a series of products including regular maintenance-free batteries, AGM start-stop batteries, EFB start-stop batteries, and parking air conditioning specialized batteries. Herou has always adhered to advanced production management systems, comprehensive quality management systems, environmental management systems, and strict implementation in every aspect. We adhere to technological innovation, established the Enterprise Research Institute, and built the first-class domestic automotive battery testing center, and established joint laboratories with well-known domestic universities such as Fudan University, East China Jiaotong University, and Xiamen University, continuously strengthening scientific research team construction and technical support. Herou always adheres to the marketing development strategy of based on domestic market and going global. We have established and improved sales and service networks in over 600 cities across the country, while continuously expanding our overseas markets. Our products are exported to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe and America, Australia and other regions. It is a designated supplier for several well-known domestic automotive OEMs, including Jiangling, Weiqi Ruixiang, Changhe Automobile, and Geely Remote. Herou has always adhered to brand building and well-maintained, stable, and high-quality development of the enterprise. It has carried out strategic layout in brand building. In 2017, it reached a cooperation with CCTV. In 2020, it reached a cooperation with China High-Speed Railway, further consolidated brand building. Over the years, the company has continuously improved the working, living, and learning environment for employees and improved various sporting facilities, attracting a large number of high-precision and cutting-edge innovative talents to join. Herou will continue to increase investment in product technology research and development, process technology innovation, and provide consumers with high-quality products in order to become the best quality automotive battery supplier in China, achieve product technology upgrades, and create a brilliant tomorrow.